Hello people, welcome back. Okay, so we just started a program which will ask the user to enter the name and we'll validate the user is existing. If it is existing, we're asking them to do you want to remove or else we are going to write the some additional functionalities here. Okay. Okay, so what else we can do it here? Okay, so if the user selects I want to remove, then I'm removing the data from the existing list. What else? If they choose, if they didn't choose Y or something else. So just send a message, no problem. I didn't want you to leave anyway. Okay, so this is okay. So what else we can do? Okay, okay, I'm in a kind of situation the user is not existing in the system yet. That means it will come under the else part. Okay, let's do something here. Okay, so let's have a proper error message instead of having the error message user not recognized. Let's have some proper error message like here. I don't think so. I don't think you are existing in our system. Okay. Okay. Then I'm going to ask the user, do you want me to add you into our system? Okay, like what we did here, the same thing. Okay, let's put another variable called add me or add. Would you like to add it to the system? Yes or no? Okay, so I'm going to check if add equal single condition. So why? So what I'm gonna do? I'm going to add the user into my existing users list. Okay, so how we are going to do that? There are multiple ways to add the data into an existing list. Okay, so here I'm going to show you a simple way, but in the next video we are going to see what are the additional ways to add the data into a list. Okay, so the way we can do that here, the list name dot append and the new user name. The way how the way how it is work. Okay, whenever you are append some data into the list, if you are using the append keyword, it will add the user into the last index. Okay. Okay, so in case else if what happen if the user choose n? Again, simple thing, just send error message or send a welcome message or no worries, see you later. Okay, this is pretty much simple. Okay, okay, so what we can do? Okay, I added the okay, once the user is added, let's print the user also so we can see the data. Okay, so we'll test one by one. Okay, I'm going to run this. Oh, what is your name? My name is Daniel, which is not there in the list. I don't think you're existing in our system. So the system is pop up to us. It is asking, do you want to add the user into the system? Okay, yes, I want. Okay, see the list, the updated list now. We have John, Phil, Coulson, Matthew, Ben along with Daniel. Okay, Okay, so I'm going to use Daniel again. Daniel. Welcome, Mr. Daniel. Would you like to remove from the system? What is gonna happen if you choose S? Okay, the list, we don't know whether it is exactly removed from the list or not. So what we can do is, uh, even after removing the data, we can print as well. Okay, let's run this with a brand new program, Daniel. So Daniel, I don't think you're exiting, so choose Y. So it's going to add. I'm going to use the Daniel again. Would you like to remove from the system? If you see the updated list, it has Daniel. Now I'm using the same user here, and it is popping as, do you want to remove? Yes, I want to. Can you see the updated list here? Daniel is gone. Okay, I'm going to use the Daniel again to add it again. Daniel, I don't think you're existing in our system. Okay, do you want to add? In case what will happen, I'll choose N. See you later. Ta-da. That's it. Okay, so you can play around with this program. So because so far we have seen how we are playing with the list, how we are going to add, okay, and how we can remove the data from the a particular list. Okay, so I don't want to mess up all the stuff here, so I'm going to create the next video. It's specifically to what are the functionalities available in the list to add the data. Okay, I have a list. If I want to add something, how are I'm going to do that? What are the ways to do that? Okay, so those things we are going to see in the next video. Okay, just go through the video and let me know if you guys have any clarification. I'm here to help. Thank you so much.